Okay, go ahead.
Get mixed up. Which way they go on? Like, I think the tapered section.
Okay, run back.
Faces the rear, for sure.
Jake, say yay!
Tapered section faces the rear. Yeah. Yeah.
Are you flying like a butterfly?
Nope. No. Wasp is this. I'm flying like a wasp.
Okay.
Say, Jake, come here. Come here. Tell him come here.
Come here, Jake.
Jake, come here.
I can push the button.
No, if you push the button, it'll stop it. Say, Jake, come here. Come here. Here he comes. Say, come here. Say, come on.
Can I have it? Can I see Jake?
No, tell Jake to come here.
Come here.
You're not calling him.
Jake, come here. Jake, come here.
Were you the star student at school this week?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? What book did you take with you to school today?
Nothing.
Didn't your teacher read one of your princess books today?
Yeah.
Which one?
The princess book I bring there. The pink.
Yeah? I tried to move my foot out of the way. Jake, go see if she's okay. See if she's okay. Kylie, what are you doing?
Now watch me run.